Hey yo, good morning everyone! Today we are going back to Knokke, like always, as usual. The sun is out, feels like summer, like it's gonna be a perfect day I guess. Let's hope so. We got a blueberry pink Porsche Taycan. So I found this Mercedes G500 4x4 for only 200k. Ooh man, that thing is huge. Look at that. Okay, let's go further into Knokke and let's see what we can find today. Oh yeah, Knokke, we need that pretty soon. Okay, so I gotta make sure I don't get out, but look at this boys. The Ferrari 812 GTS in a Ferrari red. Magnificent color shining on this in the sunlight. With silver wheels. Some carbon fiber options over there. Ooh, that's pretty clean. Let's do a quick walk around. Oh man. Just look at that color shining in the sun. Man, absolute dream car right here. Uh oh, the police over there, so make sure I don't get out. Ferrari 488 GTB. AMG GTR. Lamborghini Aventador Roadster, immense options. Ooh, that's sick. Mr. 007 on an Aston Martin. What an iconic name to get your number plate. It has like an Aston Martin green, probably called British green or something like that. But still, clean. Casual. Another one goes by. Oh, yeah. That's dope. I don't know much about Aston Martin, but respect for that number plate. That's cool. That view in the rearview mirror is pretty nice. So let's park the car up and see what we can find and have a better look at. Look at that thing. Okay, to start. We have this beautiful Porsche GT 2RS with the... Is that gold? No, that's the same grey. The wheels are also matching with the exterior color. I think it's the crayon grey, but that looks dope. Really sad of the unmatching number plate, but that's great. This GT 2RS hood ate a lot of bugs. We're just in time for the Lamborghini Aventador Roadster. Okay boys, just two cars in front of me is the newest Ferrari 812 Competizione, the second one in Belgium, so I need to get this one off. There she goes boys. Oh no, it's red. I'll try my best. Okay guys, I made the right turn. I'm just gonna place this over here. Okay, man, that's sick, that's sick. Ferrari 812 Competizione. I need to make sure I don't hit that car because that's worth $1 million. And the pista alarm goes off as the 812 rolls by. Iconic. Just look at that, boys. Okay, there she is, the first split. So I was just chilling on my chair. It's a bit easier. I hope the Lamborghini comes to here. Yeah. Those are people from my area, so it's pretty nice. We'll see them a lot more. Right now we are just chilling and waiting. Let's hope the 812 Competizione comes along again or something else. Who knows? It's pretty cozy. so annoying. But yeah, you guys can see it, so. And a Lamborghini Huracan Evo fluid capsule. Oh, camera was already filming. Here we have a GT3 Touring, newest edition. The lip is done. Looking pretty clean. So over here we have another 812 GTS? Yeah, okay, it's the GTS. The on the Carrefour was with grey wheels. These are with black wheels. Or he changed the tires. Who knows? Motivating number plate. You can do it too. Okay, boys. Right now I'm heading home. Since I've got a bit of time now, I want to talk with you guys. First of all, thank you all for the 600 subscribers. That's insane. Thank you all. Road to 700 I guess, and then to the 800, 900 and then 1k. But my rewind event was pretty nice. Here's a total plan. The Lamborghinis where we've been a few times, but now I'm gonna slow down a bit so that I can talk and focus on the road at the same time. Yeah, since I've organized like my first event, some sponsors and stuff, you really see who's your real friend and who takes the effort to come. But I still want to do a massive shout out to the people who came, stopped by and enjoyed the evening with me. I hope you all enjoyed the videos. I'm gonna make them as long as I can. I'm still young, can do whatever I want. And to give like an update, because the school year is coming to an end. I got like 6 exams I need to finish before the summer starts. So there's gonna be 2 more videos and then a long break for about a month. So I hope I can get enough footage for that, but I will be a bit off the radar. Why can't I see this stuff? In the summer we will do a lot of crazy content. I'm going to London for 5 days. Then I will be going to Spain. It's my home. Oh, what is this? And then another 14 days to Marbella, and I'm planning to go to Monaco to spot some cars and stuff, you know, and hopefully make some cool videos with other supercars. I've got something special I want to tell you guys pretty soon. But yeah, for now on, I think this is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe. Road to 700 subs. And I'll see you in the next one, boys. Peace out.